Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to merge activities in Strava. So by going into training, you will have the option to get through your activities right here in this menu. So click on my activities right here, and after that you will get through your activities. So for me I have 0 activities. For you will have some activities right here that you want to merge. So for the splitting, you can split the activities. For the merge, you can't because that feature is not on the website or the app also. So it's not on the platform. So as you can see right here on this article, it's talking about the merge or the combine of activities. So it says, while there is no way to merge 2 or more activities together on Strava, there are third-party tools you can use to combine the activities. So, as you can see right here, it says if the files are in TCX, FIT, or GPX formats, you need to use that website. So let's get into that website. Okay, so as you can see right here, you need first to be logged in. So let's go into the login phase right here. Alright, so if you already have an account, you need to just log into that account. If not, you need to go into create a new account, and then you need just to fill these 2 blanks right here by typing your email address, and then you need to create a password and then create new accounts, and you will be directly signed into the website. Alright, so once you are logged in, you just need to go into that choice combine / repair FIT, GPX, or TCX files, and after that you need to go into right here, click here. Alright, so you just you just need to click there. Okay, you just need to click there as I told you. Alright, wait. Okay, right here, click here, and right here, if you are signed in, you will have the option to bring the activities that you want to merge from your Strava account. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.